Welcome back to the ERP for Manufacturing podcast. And if you're in the plastic injection molding industry, you know one of the biggest pain points is unplanned machine downtime. A machine breaking down in the middle of production not only delays deliveries but also leads to costly repairs, unhappy customers, and lost revenue. So, today we are going to explore how predictive maintenance can help molders cut down time and extend machine life, and how platforms like Odoo ERP can make this transformation possible. Well, injection molding machines are the heart of any plastic manufacturing setup. But here's the reality: machines often fail without warning. Maintenance teams most often rely on reactive maintenance, fixing only when something breaks. Downtime can last hours, sometimes days, and even hour lost means wasted labor, energy, and material. Spare part management is chaotic because there's no visibility into what's needed before it fails, and the end result is that the production delays are there, missing of client deadlines, and mounting costs as well. Now, this is where predictive maintenance comes in. Instead of waiting for machines to fail, predictive maintenance uses data from sensors, IoT devices, and historical logs to prevent when a component will fail. Imagine knowing in advance that a hydraulic pump, a heater band, or a motor is likely to fail in the next 200 hours of operation. You schedule service proactively, order spare parts in time, and avoid sudden breakdowns. For injection molders, this means lesser number of unplanned stoppages, extended machine life, higher output and customer satisfaction, and lower maintenance costs over time. Now, the question is, how do you make predictive maintenance practical and cost effective? Well, this is where Odoo ERP plays a big role. Odoo's maintenance module combined with IoT integration allows you to log machine performance data automatically from IoT devices, set predictive maintenance triggers based on hours run, cycle counts, or sensor readings like temperature and vibration. Schedule preventive maintenance tasks before the actual breakdown occurs. You can track spare part inventory in real time so you never are out of critical items. Also, you can generate reports and dashboards that give plant managers full visibility into machine health. With Odoo, your entire maintenance workflow from prediction, planning, spare parts to execution is unified in one platform. Let's take a practical scenario. Suppose your injection molding machine's barrel heaters usually fail after 2000 hours of operation. With Odoo, you can set a predictive rule that creates a maintenance task at 1800 hours. A technician gets a notification that the spare part is reserved from inventory and maintenance is carried out during scheduled downtime. Instead of facing a production halt at the worst possible moment, you are in control. Now, that's the power of predictive maintenance with Odoo. So, if you're a plastic injection molder struggling with downtime, it's time to rethink your approach. Don't wait for the breakdowns to hurt your business. With predictive maintenance powered by Odoo ERP, you can reduce downtime, extend machine life, cut costs, and keep your customers happy. Now, that's all for today's episode. And if you like to know more about how Odoo can help your injection molding business, connect with us for a personalized demo. For more details, you can drop us an email at sales@aperture.com. And thanks for listening today, and stay tuned for our next session where we will be bringing you more ways to digitize and transform your manufacturing operations.